This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by checking a couple of prerequisites. Make sure the device is unlocked, has 10% battery, and you can access settings. Once done, swipe down to reveal quick settings and tap the gear icon, or open the settings app from the launcher. Make sure you note whether you're on stock Android or an OEM skin like Samsung or Xiaomi because labels differ slightly, and that helps you find sound, notifications, or accessibility more quickly. Now find vibration controls. Tap sound and vibration or sound in settings. On some phones, it sits under notifications. If you prefer, press a volume key and tap the settings or gear next to the slider to jump into detailed sound options. Once inside, you'll see toggles for vibrate for calls and vibrate on touch, plus vibration intensity. Adjusting intensity changes strength without toggling off the feature. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking vibrations, since that overrides these settings. Enable vibration by toggling vibrate for calls and vibrate on notifications to on, then set a comfortable intensity using the slider. Once set, test it. Play a ringtone preview or use the test vibration button if present. You should feel a distinct buzz. If nothing happens, make sure Do Not Disturb is off, then reboot the phone. If still silent, inspect the motor connection or seek repair. Sometimes the vibration motor fails. One quick troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.